Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve the kernel auto boost lock acquisitions with Race IRQL bug check blue screen that you are receiving on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, and this error message your PC ran into a problem and need to restart. We're just collecting some error info and then we'll restart for you. And then kernel autobots lock acquisitions with Race IRQL. So the main reasons for this error are external hard drive issues, Bluetooth driver issues, wireless adapter issues, corrupted BCD, and outdated driver or Windows. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to disable your wireless adapter. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung device manager. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And once na-open mo na tong device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung network adapters. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung ating wireless driver. So select and right click, and the next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung disable device. Okay, so i-click mo lang yan. Alright, so after dito, and the other solution na pwede natin gawin is to uninstall the wireless device. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu, and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung device manager, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. Then once na-open mo na tong device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung network adapters. So, click mo lang yung arrow na yun para mag-expand. And dito lang sa ating wireless adapter driver ay select mo lang siya and then right click. And kailangan mo lang itong i-select yung uninstall device. Okay, so i-click mo lang yan. Alright. And the next solution na pwede natin gawin is to disable a Bluetooth. So, same procedures dito lang sa device manager ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Bluetooth. So, i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung wireless Bluetooth. So, select and then right click. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung disable device. Okay, so click mo lang yan. Alright, so after dito, and the other solution na pwede natin gawin is to roll back mouse Bluetooth driver. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard. Pagsabayin mo lang yan. And pop up itong run. So dito lang sa box ay kailangan mo lang i-enter dito yung command keyword na dabmgmt.msc. So just type this command keyword dabmgmt.msc, that is all one word, and then itap mo lang dito yung OK. And once na open mo na itong device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung mice and other pointing devices. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And the next step ay kailangan lang natin ditong i-roll back yung mouse Bluetooth driver. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, so select mo lang dito yung ating mouse driver. So select and then right click and select mo lang dito yung properties. And dito sa kanyang mouse properties and select mo lang dito sa taas yung driver. And next step, makikita mo na dito yung all informations detail ng ating mouse driver. And then dito lang sa left side menu ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung rollback driver. Okay? So if the device fails after updating the driver, roll back to the previously installed driver. So select mo lang dito and click mo lang dito yung OK. Alright, and the last solution na pwede natin gawin is to update the wireless device driver. So same dito sa device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung network adapter. So select mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And dito sa ating wireless network driver ay kailangan natin itong i-update. So kung paano ba natin gawin, so select and right click and itap mo lang dito yung update driver. And may dalawang option dito na pwede nating iselect like search automatically for drivers or browse my computer. And then itap mo lang dito yung search automatically and wait natin. And the best drivers for your device are already installed. Alright, and then after dito and close lang natin tong device manager. At dito lang sa start menu and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Just click restart. Alright? And hope na na-resolve yung problem. Ayan, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix kernel auto boots, lock acquisitions with race, IRQL, blue screen. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.